Hi and welcome to Fifthtry tutorials. In this video, we will learn about Fifthtry collection, documents and permissions. Before we begin, let us understand what is a collection in Fifthtry. A collection is similar to your repo in GitHub, a way to organize all your related documents. Now for a new user logging in for the first time, you will find that a collection by a username has already been created for you on your Fifthtry dashboard. If you click on the collection link, it takes you to the collection page. On the collection page, you will find links to the collection history and collection change request on the top left. Below that, you will find the list of documents within the collection. The center section of the collection page shows the document which is open, and the right section on the collection page shows you likes and follows of the document and a link to connect to your GitHub account. Now for a new collection, you will find that a document called Hello World has been created for you. You can click on the document link, which will open the document for you. Clicking on the edit button opens the document in the editor mode. You can proceed by adding the document body, and clicking on save will save the document. Now before we proceed further, let us see how we can create a collection from scratch. For this, we go back to the Fifthtry dashboard, click on the Create Collection button. This opens the new collection screen. On this screen, you add the collection ID, the collection title, and the collection description. The collection ID is similar to your repo name, which means you can include alphanumeric, dash, and underscore. And we click on Create Collection. And here we are on the collection page for my new collection called Tutorial. We see that a default first document is already created for you. So you can simply click on the document and quickly start writing into it. Now let us see how we can add more documents to this collection. To do this, we go to the collection index page. This is done by clicking on the collection title on the top left. Click on the edit button, and here we add the URL to the new document. Let us call this collection tutorial. And I click on save. And we see on the left side that a new document called collection tutorial has been created. Now let us see how we can add a child document to this collection tutorial. To do this, we once again go to the collection index page. And to add a child document, you indent by 2 spaces and add the URL of the child document. So here we see that we've created a child document called How To under the document collection tutorial. Now let us proceed to learn how we can edit a document and add new sections to the document. Fifthtry has its own custom extension on top of Markdown. Let us see some of the sections that can be added to a Fifthtry document. We can add headings to a Fifthtry document. This is done by giving -- space h0 : space and the heading text. The headings can be of the levels h0 to h6. Next, to add the markdown body, you give -- space markdown : then you leave a line and add the document body. It is very important to remember to leave a line before adding the document body to your markdown text. Add an image to your document. You give -- space image : space. An optional image caption can be given. On the next line, you add src : space and a link to the image. The image can also be aligned to the right or center. We can also add source code to your Fifthtry document. This is done by giving dash dash space code colon, on the next line lang colon space py, leave a line, and then we add source code that needs to be included in the document. We can also add collection header links. This is done by giving dash dash space header colon, leave a line, then we add dash space the link to the header, and on the next line you give the title of the header. To add a YouTube video to your Fifthtry document, you give dash dash space YouTube colon space an optional caption to your YouTube video. On the next line you give src colon space and the YouTube video link. So these are some of the sections that can be added to a Fifthtry document.